So that was my first time using a chainsaw at all. I'm glad I used a small one. For me personally, I make toggles. I make bushcraft stuff. So something like this would be ideal for me because I don't really cut big stuff. I only cut stuff I can carry anyway. It does come with a charger, which I charged it. Red means to charge and green means it's done. And only took me an hour and a half to charge it. I think it was already pre-charged. And it comes with the tools to adjust and clean the chain. So everything comes there, and it's an 18-volt battery, which you've already seen. So took me a couple minutes to get used to it because it jumps a little bit. Dell told me to start from the back, work my way to the front, which is cool, so that worked. The guide's really good as well. Obviously it's made a mess. It's very sturdy, it's very light as well, which is really good for me. The only thing I would say is that if you're a righty, this is good. If you're a lefty, I reckon this will be in the way. And also, how do you press the button to start it? So I think righty is good because you just like that, then press the button. So, but again, you can find this on the website. It's really cheap from Seika themselves. I think it's like £60, but if you go to Amazon for some reason, it's like 3 times the price. I'll put links to this in the description box below. Let me know what you think. Have you tried this before? Again, check out my Instagram, and my other videos coming out soon. Thanks guys for watching. Catch you next video. Bye.